Hello, and I am Michael Allar, the guy behind this whole 4course.com Unreal Script tutorial series website thing. You know, that thing that you're on right now. And the first thing I want to say is thank you for visiting the site, and hopefully you're checking some stuff out, hopefully you're getting some use out of things. But right now I decided to, just I kind of woke up today, and was like, hey, I want to start a development blog, or like a development diary series about how to, well, not really how to, but just like my process of how I work and how some of the projects I'm working on are kind of going and things like that. And maybe a little bit of insight about how to get a good team working together and how to get some team projects done and how to get them done well, things like that. And I guess I should start off with a little introduction about myself because that seems reasonable right now. Um, I'm once again Michael Aller, guy behind this whole website thing. Yeah, I'm just a programmer who programs stuff, and currently I'm a student of the Art Institute of Orange County, majoring in visual game programming, and I'm on a few student projects there, along with some few side projects I'm doing now in my spare time. But most of these projects are based in UDK and Unreal Script, but some of them are based on C++, things like that. But this sorry about that. This development series, or this development diary series, is going to be about my Unreal Script experiences, I guess, because I'm still fairly new to Unreal Script, and I'm still learning stuff as I go. But I figured there are people who are learning just like I am, just by Googling and gathering as much references we can, and trying to make stuff. So yeah, this is my adventure in Unreal Script. Now, I feel these videos are just going to be about me rambling, just like this, and hopefully you won't get too bored, and yeah. But some videos will be about, like, screen captured stuff, like things on the screen, and be all like, bah, I look at my cool stuff. But, yeah. Now, I am using YouTube's record directly off webcam to upload these video things, and in my experience, that usually means that the video and the audio no longer become synchronized after a while, and it kind of looks like it's already doing that, but sorry about that. If that keeps happening, I'm just going to go ahead and figure out a different way to record. So, yeah, kind of new to this whole recording yourself, uploading, stuff like that. Also, you'll see that I kind of wear headphones in all my videos because I like listening to music and I do it while I record. So, sorry. Alright, so uh, I'm just gonna go about over a few projects I'm working on, and the main project I'm working on is called The Hunt, and The Hunt is a student project at the Art Institute of Orange County, AICOC, and The Hunt is a UDK based game that's similar to Left 4 Dead, similar to Borderlands, and similar to something else that I can't think of. But it's basically a four-player co-op, or not co-op, depending on how you play it. That you go around on these planets, and you're basically hunting these creatures, these alien creatures for sport, and you're competing with your allies and trying to see who can kill the most. But at the same time, you can also like throw traps out and summon a bunch of creatures to your friends and either pull them all together and throw like a grenade to kill them all and get a lot of points, or you can just basically try to summon them to kill your teammates or things like that. Just there's ways you can block your teammates, but like you guys can kind of make it harder for your teammates, and it kind of gives you more of a competitive edge to it. But at the same time, the levels and the way the game works, it's meant for all four players to be alive. So if your three teammates manage to kill off your fourth teammate, then sure you get more points for killing more stuff, but at the same time it's a lot harder to get through the level, and you risk everybody dying. In that case, nobody gets anything. But um, with that said, there are a few things though. Like if you die, you don't actually die. You get sent back to the country club that you're at, the alien intergalactic country club. Long story. Yeah, and you basically sit around there and play some drinking games. You can bet on your teammates or your friends or against or for whatever. And there are different things you can do while you're waiting for them to die or whatever. And you can always come back in the game later through some different gameplay mechanics. But I'm not gonna go into much of that now. Now, if you want more info or you just want to see what we're doing and what we're making public and some of the new concept art that we're making, go ahead and check out QueSpeck.com. Link will be in the sidebar. Sidebar is over there. Yeah, it's to my left and your right. Okay, so yeah, there'll be a link there. There's also be a link on my website if you're viewing this on my website. And yeah, QueSpeck.com. That's the name of our student development group. And there's some. It's a pretty cool story. Yeah, you yeah. All right, the second project that I'm gonna be mainly talking about as I develop this series, I'm kind of like I'll be working on both in tandem half the time really, because they do require some of the same code base. Is this project called Western Mercs, and this is a level design project, or well, this is a project from our advanced level design class over at the Art Institute, and we're basically assigned to make a game from like without using any of Unreal's assets, things like that, and create a I guess an Unreal Tournament 2004 type of assault map where you have an attacking team and you have a defending team. The attacking team has 5 objectives they have to push through before a certain amount of time, and there are things like time bonuses and random things like that. But yeah, and if you ever hear a dog barking in this video, that's my roommate's dog barking because he's stupid, very stupid. Now, this is probably the longest of the videos I'll be posting, unless it's something like a demo of what I'm doing in Unreal, but I kind of tend to ramble a lot, kind of tend to mumble a lot, sorry about that, and it is what it is. So, hopefully we won't get too bored, and yeah, so this is just the introduction to what this whole project's about, this whole diary thing, this whole development blog, and who I am. I guess some of you can finally put a face to a website, I guess. That's kind of weird, but yeah, okay. Alright, my monitor there, my main source of light that you see is my monitor. Kind of went into sleep mode there. Yeah. Alright, so this is already 8 minutes. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and I'll be uploading or making some videos about, actually they're already made, about some of the UI scene stuff that I'm kind of doing. And I need to learn to look at the camera and not my screen. That's kind of weird to do. Alright, so, yeah, and I'm also doing some master server code. This whole looking at the camera is really, really weird. Not like one little dot I'm supposed to look at the entire time. That's weird to talk to. But, alright, so, we'll be seeing that. And in the next few days, I'll be hammering as much code as I can out. Try to get some gameplay or basic alpha of a game done as fast as I can. And as solid as I can. And I'm the only programmer on my team says it's this guy Kyle who's working for the Hunt. He's doing UI, some HUD stuff, but other than that, I have to pretty much do everything else. So yeah, it's good stuff. All right, so see you around, and hopefully you'll be following this blog. If not, that's cool too. I'm just doing it for those who are interested. Yeah. Bye. I wonder how badly this will like synchronize or not.